Hello guys, Assalamou Alaykoum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are going to finish what I promised you before. These categories from 100 to 900, if you still remember and reviewed of course the lesson, the previous lesson. We will study another type of counting from 100 and another numbers with these hundreds. You know, for example, 110, 150, 170, 169, 178, and so on. So, in short, let's get started. Let's give an example with 100. If it comes to 100 and you want to mention another number, you want to count, for example, something above 100, how should you do? You have to combine the first number on the right to this 100. For example, here, mi'ah. It become, you will keep this mi'ah. We started always with this in pronunciation, mi'ah. Always you started with this number and you add what you want to add starting from the right. Okay, for example 200, you will start it from left to right. Here too, you started from left, mi'ah, but there is nothing here. I mean, here for example, if you write 200, you started from the left and you stop 200, 300, 400. If it comes to another number like 101, you will say mi'atun wa wahid, 101, like in English. But in English there is an option to say 101, or of course 101 or 101, and you can say 101, you can say 101, but in Arabic you have to say, you have to mention wow, wa, and you have to mention and you cannot skip it. You cannot say mi'a wahid, mi'a ithnan, mi'a thalatha. No, mi'atun wa wahid. As I told you, mi'a, we have to add wa, the letter of waw, letter, حرف الواو, letter, wa, it means and. Okay, this is in English, und in German language, in French language. So مئة وواحد, 101. It's like that. It's like 102, 103. You cannot skip it in Arabic. Let's see, for example, here you will say مئة واثنان, from left to right, left to right. مئة واثنان. Okay, مئة واثنان, مئة و, always and, اثنان, then you mention the last number, the right number, and so on. For example, until مئة و, what is this? عشرة. مئة وعشرة, مئة وعشرة, this one. So you add all the numbers we studied before from the orders 1 till 10 or 1 till 100. No, from 1 to 99. Okay, it's simple and easy. We studied the number for example, this number. We don't say, in English we say 25. We started with this 25. But in Arabic, if it comes to this number, for example, or from 20, if it comes to this number, from 20 from 20 to 90, this order, if you add any number here, for example 21 or 22 or 23 and so on, okay, and so on. Or here, for example, 31, 34, 37, 39, whatever. If you add any number, you will here too the same thing. 46, for example, here 46, 48, for example, just an example. If you add any number and so on, the same thing. If you add any number to this order from 20 to 90, if you add any number to them, you will not say like in English 94. You will start it with left and go to the right. But you will say you will start it from the right to the left. From the right to the left. From right to left. For example, here in English we say 25. 25. In Arabic we say 25. It means from right to left. The contrary. Okay? We say the meaning wa وعشرون. You can say with me this one always wa. Here we start from this one, from right to this one, left. From right to left. Like in Arabic, when you write, always from right to left. So when you count from 20, the order of 20 until 90, this order, if you add any number, you have to start it from the right to left. Okay? This is it. For example, another example to make you sure that you understand. For example, let's see 97. In English, 97. From left to right. Because English, we write English from left to right. $97. Okay? Sorry. 97. In Arabic, we change this order from right to left. So the rule will be, for example, here. From this one will be like that, from right to left. From right to left. And it will be سبعة و always و تسعون سبعة و تسعون 97. Okay, so remember this, please. From 20 to 90, any number you add to this order, it will start it and spell it from right to left. Remember this, okay? Let's go back to our hundreds.